This installation takes place in a studio, which means we can't demonstrate the entire hoisting procedure. For more information about hoisting, please see the film Outdoor Antenna Installation, available from our website. Attach the hoist sling for the antenna to the hook of your lifting device. Hoisting antennas can be dangerous if you don't have sufficient training or experience, so always make sure that trained and experienced people are involved and that there's enough manpower for the job. At least one person controlling the lifting device, one person holding the antenna away from the structure, and, depending on the size of the antenna, one or more installers on the mast. Make sure the antenna is kept away from the structure at all times. Make the work easier by resting the antenna on the previously fitted safety bracket. Install the upper U-bolt first, using the supplied nuts and washers. Tighten the nuts by hand for now. Install the lower U-bolt in the same way. The horizontal attachment allows you to swivel the antenna during alignment. If you can roughly align the antenna to the azimuth, according to the site installation documentation, then do so before tightening the nuts. This is a good opportunity to find out the best waveguide route to and from the antenna. Tighten the nuts with a spanner if the antenna is not going to be aligned immediately after installation. And don't forget the lock nuts. The horizontal alignment bolt can now be attached to the antenna mount for use later during fine adjustment of the alignment. Tighten the nut with a spanner. Once the antenna is safely attached to the structure, you can remove the hoist sling. Ask the person controlling the lifting device to give you some slack and then remove it. Also remove the L-bar used to protect the feed and put back the bolt, washer and nut at the strut angle. You'll need them later.